In this video, I will demonstrate the practical implementation of NotebookLM AI. NotebookLM is an AI-powered research assistant developed by Google. It helps users understand, summarize, analyze, and interact with their own documents instead of sharing the entire internet. It is especially useful for students, researchers, teachers, and professionals who works with PDFs, notes, research papers, and reports. Now, I will upload a document and show how Notebook LM can summarize it, answer questions, generate study notes, and create an audio overview. Now, I am creating a new notebook. I will upload my PDF document. Once the document is uploaded, Notebook LM automatically read and understand the entire content. Instead of manually reading every page, I can simply ask questions about the document. This saves a significant amount of time. As you can see, the Notebook LM gives the overview of my uploaded document. Now I am asking Notebook LM to summarize the uploaded document. Within a few seconds, it generates a clear and concise summary highlighting the key concept. This feature is especially useful for before exams or presentations because it provides an overview without reading the complete document. As you can see, it generates the summary of this document and highlight the main points. Now I am asking another questions directly from my uploaded document. What are the main objectives discussed in this document? Instead of searching manually, Notebook LM finds the relevant information instantly. It answers only from the uploaded source, making the responses focused and accurate. This feature is very useful while studying large report or research paper. As you can see, Notebook LM give the objectives discussed in this document. Now I'm asking Notebook LM to generate revision notes. I'll give the simple prompt to Notebook LM: create revision notes and bullet points from this document. It simply converts the document into short bullet points, making revision much easier. A student can use these notes before examination on presentations. These features eliminate the need to prepare notes manually. As you can see, it generates the notes with using bullet point. Another unique feature of Notebook LM is audio overview. It converts the uploaded document into a podcast style discussion. Instead of reading the report, I can listen to the important concept. This makes learning more interactive and convenient. Overall, Notebook LM is an excellent AI tool for document understanding, research, note making, and revision. It saves time and improves productivity by transforming lengthy documents into easy to understand summaries and study material. Thank you.